How to create Amazon account. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can create a new Amazon account. So the further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so creating an Amazon account is pretty quick and easy. First thing first, from your computer, simply go ahead and open up any browser from your choice. I'm going to open up the Chrome browser, and I'm going to open up one of these from here. And from the search bar, you just need to search for Amazon. And you just need to come to this website, amazon.com, and now to create a new account, he'll get to see the hello sign in button, and he'll get to see the sign in and the new customer start here. So you just need to click on start here, and once you click on this one, you just need to fill up this information. Go ahead and enter your first name, and then go ahead and enter your mobile or email address. I'm gonna enter my email address right here. And right after that, you just need to enter your password twice in order to create an Amazon account. So I'm going to enter my password. And once you have entered your name, email address, and the password, you just need to click on verify. And once you do that, it's going to send a verification code to this specific email address, and you just need to verify this number. And once you have entered the OTP, you just need to click on verify. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter your mobile number. So just go ahead and select your country first, and then simply go ahead and enter your mobile number. And once you have verified your mobile number, he'll get to see I've already created my account. If I tap on this one, if I click on manage profile, he'll get to see my account has been created successfully. And this is how you can create an Amazon account in 2025. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.